accident on a long distance bus. I remember meeting an American by accident on a long distance bus. He never stopped talking all the way, which annoyed me a lot. Americans in 9 cases out of 10 or in 9 cases out of 10 or in 9 cases out of 10 are talkative people, and it's easy to make friends with them. 十八 cases out of 10. They feel most comfortable in putting their thoughts into spoken words. They feel most comfortable in putting their thoughts into spoken words. Little is left to the imagination of the listener. Little is left to the imagination of the listener. 聞き手のイメージ。Little is left to the imagination. Listener. An American much prefers to say exactly what he has in mind. An American much prefers to say exactly what he has in mind. In talking with an American for the first time, you may notice that the conversation makes quick progress. Conversation make quick progress. It's common for travelers who have sat down beside each other to have almost finished exchanging their life stories by the time they get to the destination. Common for travelers who have sat down with each other to have almost finished exchanging their life stories by the time they get to their destination. If you should meet such a talkative American, if you should meet such a talkative American, you would not be so nervous. You need not think you have to answer all the questions you were asked. Just turn the conversation back to him by asking questions you talk about himself. Do not be so nervous. You need not think you have to answer all the questions you ask. Just don't conversation back to him by asking questions. We want content to talk about himself. 万が一っていうのはconversation back to him by asking questions we want. He'll be content to talk about himself. From listener annoyed, comfortable immigration. Notice conversation, exchange destination, tone. Little. By accident. She met her teacher at the station by accident. All the way, the students had to keep standing all the way in the bus. In 9 cases out of 10. In 9 cases out of 10. Make friend with. Leave. Don't worry, leave everything to me. Leave everything to me. 任せるか leave. 任せる have in mind. Could you tell me what you have in mind for the first time? In progress. Get to be content to your content. 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 内容、中身。Content. Content だってる。Content to 喜んで何々する。Content to 中身、内容、目次。真意、容量。目次、ビタミン、容積。Solid content。中身ない物。The contents of his wallet were missing. 紛失していた。Don't worry about your spelling. It's the contents that count. Don't worry about your spelling. It's the contents that count. Don't worry about your spelling. It's the content that count. That count. A table of contents. A table. A speech with very little content. A speech with very little content. Content determines form. 内容が形を決定する。含有 The vitamin content of のビタミン含有。容積 solid contents cubic contents 容量容積 content 満足する He's not content with his lot in life 彼は巡り合わせに満足していない He's not content with his lot in life lot満足するかロットってなんだロットくじ引き抽選分け前かロット運命土地の一区画辞書地区敷地分け前かロット分け前でなるほどA lot of lot draw lots cast lots 引く放つ lots くじを引く by lot くじで One's lot of an inheritance 遺産 inheritance は遺産か引き継ぐ inherit a hard lot それ one's house and lot one's house and lot 家よし家と敷地ってこと品目番号 What's Sally fetched wasn't under your pond fetched fetch 落札fetch fetch 引き出す吐く漏らす fetch 取ってくる呼んでくる取ってくる連れてくる引き出す取ってくる go and fetch. Go and get. 取ってくる。Go and get. Go and fetch. ああ、なるほど。Fetch the fire extinguisher. Fetch. Go and get. 短く言うと fetch か。Fetch the fire extinguisher. She fetched her child home from school. She fetched her child home from school. なるほど。Please fetch me a cup of tea from the kitchen. Fetch a pump. もう一回水を入れて水を出す。The gesture fetched a laugh from the audience. Fetch a deep sigh, a groan. 深いため息をつく。猫を立てる。groan. Deep sigh. ため息なんだ。うめき声。groan. 何これ。
Deep sigh.
sigh. ため息ね。ため息。This painting will fetch a good price. Oh. This picture won't fetch you much. I'll fetch him a blow on the jaw. On the jaw. なんだこれ。Fetch him a blow on the jaw. 食らわしてやった。blow. じゃあコピー。じゃあっていうんだっけ。ペースト。じゃあ
jaw, jaw, jaw,
じゃあじゃあ狭い入り口、顎、雑談、じゃあ動物の口、顎、狭い入り口、じゃあおしゃべり、雑談、話、じゃあ口、顎、おしゃべり、雑談、じゃあ ついた上顎骨 The lower jaw upper jaw She was snatched from the jaws of death 彼女は死地から救い出された Snatched from the jaws of death Snatch ひったくる強奪する、Snatch Snatch かっぱらを強奪するひったくる素早く手に入れる誘拐するThe man snatched up a club and struck at me. The man snatched up a club and struck at me. Club なるほど
Club.
一緒なんだクラブ棒とトランプのクラブも一緒なんだクラブの国クラブ室棍棒クラブの国クラブ同好会計クラブ全部一緒なんだThe man snatched at the club and struck at me. He snatched a knife from the burglar. Burglar ってなんか悪いイメージだっけ Arrows the burglar's hand. 泥棒か。Burglar. Burglar. 不法目的侵入者。侵入。盗犯。Burglar. 泥棒。泥棒のことなの。Burglar. Thief もか Thief ねなるほど泥棒 Snatch a few hours of sleep 隙を見て2-30 hours of sleep Snatch He snatched a kiss from her. 急に運び去る。He was snatched away by sudden death. 突然死んだ。snatched away. Snatched from us by sudden death. なるほど。誘拐 The policeman snatched at the gangster's revolver At the gangster's revolver 男にひったくろうとした Snatched ひったくろうとするひったくじゃないと snatch at the gang stores. Revolver 拳銃か。Revolver 拳銃ギャングスター暴力団
Gangster.
ギャングスターレボーバーなんだコピーRevolver. Revolver. ピストル輪動式連発ピストル Revolver これだけ意味I snatched at the chance to travel. ひったくりかっぱらい Make a snatch. What can you snatch? 時々働く短い時間 Short snatches a song. 途切れ途切れの音かっぱらじゃあ雑談孫 Where the long jaw だ話She was snatched from the jaws of death. Long snatched from the jaws of death. 救い出された。あ、ちょっとフェッチでよ、フェッチで。フェッチとスナッチっていうのが、ああ、そっか。似てるな。I fetched him blow on the jaw. I fetched him. とくる。クローン。めき声。サイ。ため息。フェッチ。取ってこい。なるほど。Fetched. Lot くじ引き 1000 lot was 30 fetched 落札された lot 30 fetched 1000 pound a lot たくさん量 very much tea there are lots of nice parks in San Francisco I want a lot more we have lot of you at the whole lot of you 富山 A tough lot of people 苦痛な精神を持った人たち A tough lot of people なるほど content He's not content with his lot in life. He's content to remain an expatriate the rest of his life. 国外在留者の見ていることに満足している。He's content to remain and expatriate the rest of his life.
Expatriate.
Expatriate. Expatriate. Expatriate. Expatriate. Expatriate. 国籍を取り上げる。国外に追放する。から残された生涯は国外在住者の見ていることに満足している。His content to remain and expatriate the rest of his life. Content to remain. To remain and expatriate. Living content. Nothing contents whole. Nothing contents whole. なるほど。There was no beer, so I had to content myself with a glass of water. なるほど。わかった。Be content to 満足する喜ぶ people 進んでするこれ満足と違うな満足とは違う信頼こっちか進んで進んでする Be content when 満足している To His content to help for people when born and in I remember meeting him before which He said that he would come, which was a lie. Ending. Be careful and crossing the street by the time. I can finish this job by the time he comes. Yeah, so shoot. My God. If I should die tomorrow, what would become of my family?